Go straight to wash the rice, the river water fishing.
I thought the water would been because they had rain last night, but it's clear.
The water nice, man.
It should be